In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to add any branded jersey or top of your choice into any video. We will be covering camera tracking, jersey branding, and adding the 3D jersey into your video. In the last 2 CGI videos I uploaded, I used the default Blender tracking system. Link to these videos are in the description. In this video I will be using a camera tracking add-on, just to try out other ways of tracking. Same method can be used using the default Blender tracking system as shown in my previous videos. I will be using version 3. Screencast keys has been turned on the bottom left corner. Enable alpha, if you have moving object in your video. This crops out the moving objects from the video. Images from video is for uploading your video. It will be found here. This converts your video to an image sequence. Enable undistort and densify. This creates a scene dense cloud and mesh point cloud. Basically, a visual representation of your scene. Enable zoom and shake if your video have that. Turn on CUDA for GPU usage to speed up the process. Click on Run Track to start the process. This will take some few minutes. When done, this is what you will see. A scene dense cloud. Let's upload our video to see what's going on. This creates a visual representation of your scene. We can choose to remove the video for now. You can turn off both the scene dense cloud and mesh point cloud. Let's add an empty and parent everything in the scene to it. This is to help us position the scene well. Let's try adding an object to the scene. As you can see, our cube is tracked to the scene. Now let's create a rough model of the tower. This will act as our shadow catcher, and also as an object for our jersey to interact with. Let's turn off both the scene dense cloud and mesh point cloud for us to easily see what we are doing. Bring back the video. Now for the jersey part. Download your preferred jersey. I will be using the Gunna Black Stars jersey. I downloaded the front and back view of the jersey and used Gemini to UV unwrap it using this prompt here. I will add the prompt in the description. Once generated, download the UV unwrapped image file. Next, branding of the jersey. I will be using this t-shirt I downloaded online, link in description. Delete the old material and assign a new material to it. Now import your UV unwrapped image file. Scale the parts to fit the jersey texture parts. Next, let's give the top a cloth property. Let's add a plane to test out our cloth simulation. Works fine. Now let's pin the top part of the jersey and assign it to a vertex group so that our jersey does not fall down. Let's test. I then created this rough model to act as a hanger. Let's add an empty and parent the models to it. Let's bring our jersey model into our camera tracking scene. Just adjusting the position and scale. Let's add an HDRI to the scene. Adjusting the position of the tower. I added this cylinder to act as a pole to make it look like the hanger is hooked to it. Also make it a shadow catcher. Let's increase the brightness of our HDRI. Let's rotate our HDRI to get a better angle of the light. Make sure Node Wrangler is turned on. Looks good. One way to add movements to the jersey is by animating the rotation or position of the empty. We are good to go for rendering. Choose a location for your rendered files. Before we render, let's bake our cloth sim. Let's do our render setting and hit render. Forgot to turn off the scene dense cloud, let's fix it. This is how our PNG file sequence look like. You can use this in any video editing software. I will be using After Effects. Import your files as a PNG sequence. Upload your video. Put the rendered sequence above the video. You can then proceed to do your color gradings. Then finally save out your video file. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.